Good morning, my name is Parnell Smith with All-Star Ford Lincoln Dealership. Today I'm going to introduce to you the new 2019 Lincoln Navigator, the all-new redesigned vehicle, SUV in this class. Number one, you see the raised cross here representing the Lincoln logo here. You have your front sensors here. In case you come close to a vehicle or an object, it will start beeping. Right over here, when you're approaching the vehicle, hit unlock, the floorable running boards come out automatically. Another good object you see is the keyless entry code. Once you lock your keys in here, there's a 5-digit code that we give you, and you can unlock your doors. Back here you have the power lift gate here for easy access to get groceries up in here. Also back here you get the power third seat for easy access. If there's something object in this way, it will come back up automatically, which you will see right here. Go down, it should come back up. Another thing too, you have your kick motion here. If everything is set, it lowers the tailgate automatically. If you have a lot of package in your hand, you can walk up there and do the kick motion. Come over here. You have your 30-way power seat here. So you got 30 ways you could position your seat. Also, it has in here the massaging seats, the heated and cooling seats at your fingertips. Once you look at the navigation system right up here, it's totally redesigned. Another good thing you will notice if you go into the mountains and you have your grandkids sitting back there, they want to look at the mountains, you have the panoramic vista roof here, so they can look outside of the vehicle at all times. Another good object, your navigation screen, how big it is. You can do everything from a voice command by touching this button right here and just simply
please say a command.
Radio. It automatically start playing the radio. Turn up the volume here. Another good thing, everything is voice activated here while you're driving. Once again, my name is Parnell Smith at All-Star Ford Lincoln Dealership. Come see me for your new Lincoln product or Navigator or the new knowledge that we're coming out with in the near future. Thank you. Have a great day.